What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to move your Mac's photo library to an external drive. First, make sure your external drive such as your SSD, HDD or USB drive is connected to your Mac. Open it up and create a new folder for your exported photo library. You should also make sure that you have enough storage space for all the photos that we're about to move. When this is done, open up your Photos app. From here, you can create a selection of the photos you wish to move. Use the shortcut Command and A to select all of them, or simply navigate to Edit, select All. Once selected, navigate to File, Export, and then select Export followed by the amount of photos. A new window will open up. Here, you will have to select the photo format you want to export these images as. Choose whether to include the metadata, such as photo title, keywords, caption, and location information, and whether to use the same file name. Use sequential file names, or to save them with their respective album name and number. Click Export, and a Finder window will open, where you can simply select your previously created photos folder. Click Export again, and it might take a moment for all the photos to show up. This will simply create a copy of your selection. You can then proceed to delete this selection from your Photos app to free up space, for example. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.